Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Prawns in coconut milk is what I'm making today. It's a super easy recipe and yummy too. So to an earthen pot, I add around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and once it's hot, I add 30 thinly sliced small onions or shallots. Next, I soak around 10 to 12 cashew nuts in water. After that, to extract the coconut milk, I take grated coconut from half of a coconut and extract both the diluted and undiluted coconut milk. Now the onions are translucent and I add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon crushed chili, 2 to 3 green chillies and mix them well. To this goes the previously cleaned prawns and I add the salt and combine well. Next, I add the diluted coconut milk and cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, I make the cashew nut paste. After about 12 minutes, the prawns seem to be cooked well, and so I add the undiluted coconut milk and the cashew paste and allow the curry to boil for a minute. And then I add pepper powder, 2 tablespoons, or according to your spice tolerance you can adjust it, and then I garnish with coriander leaves. So here goes the yummy prawns in coconut milk.